Hi, 3rd grade through 5th graders. It's Miss Lynch. I just wanted to go over our 3 options for our week 1 assignments this week. I have given you 3 assignments in the Google Doc that's right below us. Please look over them, select one that you would like to make. You will always have an option if you want to come back and work on some of the other ones at a later date. Your first option that you can make is a found object color wheel. My 4th graders have been really big experts in color and studying and watching our fun videos. They're also linked below for you. But you will be going around your house finding different objects that have colors and putting them into a color wheel. It's a fun scavenger hunt and you don't need any extra materials to do so. Your second option is to do a YouTube drawing tutorial. I'd like you to choose something that you feel would be a challenge if you didn't have the assistance of someone walking you through it. I linked a few things below that you can test out and try, but feel free to use any type of YouTube drawing tutorial. Maybe you want to make a cartoon character or something that is of interest to you. Lastly, your third option is to do a famous artwork reenactment. Currently, there's a trend going on online which has the hashtag #ArtEdPortraits. People are recreating famous artworks or dressing up their dogs and doing funny plays on famous artworks. So I challenge you to use your family or yourself and to have someone take a picture of it, of you recreating a famous artwork. Those are your 3 options. When you are done with your artwork, please take a picture of it, or if it is the picture, you can then upload them in our Google Forms. If you have issues with our Google Forms, please know you can always email me your response as well. Everything will be on this page, and I hope that you guys have fun with some of these challenges. See you soon.